back to the chop shop, and I have bad news. What up, guys? And what I'm hoping to keep as a short, what was gonna be a full-blown video of the Budget 283, you know, just a full-blown teardown so I can get a parts list. Like I said, if you follow me on Facebook, you know that like, on here, I was doing this as a budget, but on Facebook, I was expressing even more of a budget. Not only was I trying to do this bottom dollar, I was trying to just like sell junk, basically, around the shop that I had to acquire money to do so. I had acquired, I don't know, let's say like 200 bucks, which is plenty enough to rebuild one of these, believe it or not, so long as there's no damage in it, which it's not my case. And I'll keep my flashlight on. There is some cylinder wall damage. Now, surprisingly, and I don't know if they grabbed another set of heads off something or what, but I mean, that should be that piston right there, and there's nothing wrong with that. Now, that really puts like a huge damper on this. I knew I had to buy like a cam, and we were gonna go rings, bearings, gaskets, and just small stuff like water pump, oil pump. And I had the former intake I was gonna put on it. Bottom dollar. You know, just factory pistons, dingle bullet, blah, blah, blah. You've seen it a million times. But having to buy pistons, a machine shop cancels all of that out. I mean, that gets pretty expensive. Now, basically, I guess, leave in the comment section, because I don't know where I stand on this engine. You know, I can still get flat top pistons, even dome pistons for under 200 bucks. But then, you know, machine shop, it gets expensive. That's where it really breaks the budget. So at this point in time, if you want this engine and live around the Coldwater, Michigan area, hit your boy up. I don't want a whole lot for it. Otherwise, it's probably just gonna sit here and get backburnered, because, I mean, I'm gonna start throwing a bunch of machine shop money at this when I'm supposed to be throwing machine shop money at this. And though this was like a content and an experiment and like a fun project, this was also a make money thing. I wanted to clean this thing up, get it running, and sell it to somebody, make a few bucks. Having to pay for all the machine shop costs, again, kind of just blows that out of the water, because no one is gonna wanna buy, you know, a garage built dyno, or they might with the video. I don't know. If I do a full blown, throw it together, and they watch the video, they might want to. I've sold a couple cars that way. Shit, I don't know. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comments. Probably just rambling on now. I'm gonna make some sort of other video besides this one this week. But that's all I got for you. Shorts. Much love. Deuces. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, tell your mom as if she doesn't know already. I'm out this bitch.